Come test drive the 2017 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated outside mirrors, alloy wheels, power mirrors, backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power outlets, power door locks, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.